Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 Ford Ranger. It's not very intuitive at all. From any screen there, we're in music. So you click the home button, click home. You've got navigation up here, phone, entertainment, climate and navigation. We want navigation. And you know, looking at that, again, it's not clear. You've got destination up here and menu. So onto destination. My home favourites, previous destinations, place of interest, emergency, and address. So we want address. Click address. Not very intuitive again. And this, it's actually on postcode there, but sometimes you'll click on it and it'll say town. So then you have to start entering the town and the street and the number and so on. So you see that, the little yellow button, click on town. That's postcode, but nothing's come up. Well, nothing's come up because it's gone to 123. So you have to press ABC. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. Now we have to press the 123 for the numbers, click 123. PR5. It's not letting me do anything else. That's because I need to put a space in because we've only got 2 numbers in our postcode. So PR54. Now we have to click back to ABC there. Click on ABC. A. So nothing's showing up again. You know, it's like a scratching my head moment. But you see here 2 and an arrow. What you do there, it's actually giving you 2 choices. It's giving you 2 choices of the same place. It's both PR5 4EA, but that says Higher Walton GBR and that says Preston GBR. It's the same place. So we'll click on that, Higher Walton. So right, so street. Now you can either type it all in again, or you'll see there 2 and an arrow again. Click on the 2 and an arrow and it gives you 2 choices. Blackburn Road. That's it. So it's auto-filled in Blackburn Road. Address range does not exist. That's because there's not a number put in. We've no number here. But now you're onto this screen. Set as destination, set as waypoint, save to favourites. We want to set as destination. Just thinking about it, calculating the route. And now after we've done all that, no sat nav. I've changed my mind. It's just taken me half an hour to program you. I've decided I don't want to go anymore because I haven't got enough time. But so start route.
The route guidance will start now.
Now also, honestly, it couldn't be more counterintuitive. There's the little speaker there with an X, and sometimes if the yellow light's on, the speaker is off, so nothing happens. You don't hear any instructions. So you have to make sure that there's no yellow light on, and it's working. That's how you do it. Sorry for the long-winded explanation, but it really is one of the most awkward sat navs I've ever used, and I'm amazed at Ford because usually Ford, everything is perfect. The new sync system, you know, it's just right. So I hope that explains it, because I know there's going to be a lot of people out there having loads of trouble with this.